this video, how to get the perfect 3D bloom. Step 1, pick your resin wisely. Different resins require different temperatures, and that is because they are different consistency. So think about, are you going to use a medium viscosity resin? Are you going to use a thick viscosity resin? Or are you going to use a thin viscosity resin? Step 2, get on that PPE, get that respirator on, get those gloves on. You might not get any more likes on Tinder, but it will protect your lungs, which is what you want. And dogs seem to love it too. Step 3, mix up the right amount of resin that you need for your project. Try not to get too many bubbles in it at this stage. You're wanting your resin to be streak free and crystal clear. Step 4, chill. Usually for about 20 minutes whilst your resin heats up. Where most people go wrong in this step is they assume it's 20 minutes. It's different for every resin. If you're using a thick resin, then you want to wait till it gets to around about 31 to 33 degrees. If you're using a medium viscosity resin, you probably want to wait for 35 to 38 degrees. And if you've not got one, get yourself one of these laser thermometers. They make it a lot easier to judge the temperature of your resin. So, have you waited 15-20 minutes? Have you checked that temperature? Is it 35 to 38 degrees if you're going with a medium viscosity resin? If it is, you're ready for the next stage, the exciting stage, the pour. Go back, don't forget step 2, get those gloves on, get that respirator on. Boom! 34.1 degrees means I am ready for pouring. So the exciting part here is literally just pour that lovely resin into your mold. Step 7, mix your wine. Quite opaque, but you still want to be able to see through to the stick like that. Now when it comes to drawing in your petals, you can do whatever design you want. Those petals. I'm just kidding, guys. You've just done the final stage. That is it. Now, all you've got to do is wait 24 hours or however long your resin says,